Hello, in this Visual Basic tutorial I am going to run through constant variables, so also known as constants. So what are a constant or constant variable? They're a variable that has a value that can't be modified. Simple as that, they are constant. So to create one, we would do something like const, then the name of the variable, so I'll say var awesome equals, I don't know, 4, for example. It knows the data type, itself automatically. You can specify a data type. So if you were to do as integer, for example, you would have to make sure you assign the value on the line, because remember, you can't assign the value later on. So either method is fine. So if we do it like this, so instead of dim, put const, and now we can do console.writeLine equals, what the hell? Open up an older version of Visual Studio. Do not want to do that. Let's close that. Okay, so if I pass in var awesome, and if I run it, it prints out 4. That's pretty cool. And before we go into trying to modify it, let's just create another, variable. So call it var2, and we'll keep the same integer. And we could assign the value here, but we'll assign it afterwards. So var2 equals 5. And if I do console.writeLine var2, then if I do console.writeLine, and if I do var2 times by var awesome, this all still runs, So running again, 4 times 5 is 20. That's all good. But if I were to try and do something like var2 equals var awesome, this will still run. Obviously, yeah, that's still fine. So it doesn't change the code or change the output simply because we haven't used it. But if I were to switch this around and put var awesome equals var2, that will be wrong because it says constant cannot be the target of an assignment. It's a pretty technical way of putting it, but it's just saying it's a constant. You cannot modify it. So that's it. So constants are great for values that you'll be using again and again. You don't want any accidental modification. And something like, I don't know, e or pi, for example, they are constants in the real world, and you can put it as a constant in your code. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I will help you. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next programming video.